Hello. 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 What are you doing? Hello. What are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you mother post? Tell me something.
Oh, okay. Hello.
Hello.
How are you doing?
I'm good.
You sure are beautiful, sis.
Thank you.
Who's beautiful, princess?
Kenzie, I have a cousin.
Your cousin Kenzie? Who is the beautiful princess?
Me.
Duh.
Duh. You can't embrace.
What are you watching on TV, sis?
Mm, mm,
Penguins?
Penguins in Madagascar.
Mm. What are you going to do today?
Do nothing.
Just be lazy like you always are?
Nah, going to watch TV. I'm going to school.
Okay, say bye-bye.
No.
Yes.
No.
Say bye-bye.
No, I'll say something else. Hello. Oh, do you know how to extract or fix anything?
Oh, tell us a joke.
No.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Banana was banana friends.
Okay, tell us another one, Goober.
When do bananas before they go to bed?
I don't know. Why do they?
Because they're hungry.
Ah, that's hilarious. Okay.
And hear another joke?
Yeah.
When do the ducks go to bed before they bring their water on, before they put their water on their nightstand?
Why do ducks put water on their nightstands?
Yeah.
'Cause they're thirsty.
Doggy.
Okay, say bye-bye.